quiet path beneath the trees, soft sunlight dancing with the breeze. No destination, no grand plan, just time together while we can. The world feels distant, far away, as we let our thoughts finally say, tell me what you keep inside, every dream you never hide, every hope and every fear. You can share them safely here, underneath the open sky. Hours gently passing by, resting in the afternoon shade, talking about the lives we've made, stories carried through the years, moments, lessons, joys and tears. No judgment, no need to pretend, just honesty between two friends. Tell me what you keep inside, every dream you never hide, every hope and every fear. You can share them safely here, underneath the open sky. Hours gently passing by. The sunlight fades, the shadows grow, but some conversations stay forever.